was in my prime, but what does it really mean to be in your prime when you're changing all the time? Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Carrera by Rex Orange County. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the A major 7 chord. That's going to be 5, dead string, 6, 6, 5, dead string. That's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord. That is going to be 2, dead string, 2, 2, 2, then dead string. That's going to be the D major 7 chord. That's going to be dead string, 5, 7, 6, 7, then dead string. That's going to be the C sharp 7 chord. That is going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4. With the bar using our index finger on the 4th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Then lastly, it's going to be the D diminished 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be dead string, 5, 6, 4, 6, then dead string. So all in all, that'd be A major 7, F sharp minor 7, D major 7, C sharp 7, then D diminished 7. Okay, and as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep, so allow me to demonstrate. It's going to be like this. Just like that. So allow me to break it down for you guys. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. It's going to be the D string, G string, bass string, B string, bass string, G string, then the D string. Yep. And as for which fingers you're going to use, it's going to be the thumb for the bass string, index finger for the D string, middle finger G string, thumb for the bass, ring finger for the B string. It's going to be the thumb once more for the bass string, middle finger G string, then index finger D string. Yep, so it's going to be bass, index, middle, bass, ring, bass, middle, then the index finger. Yep, so it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, that's going to be words for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, so for the first verse of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the A major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. It's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Then it's going to be the D major 7 chord for 8 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern twice. So here it goes. Yep, then after that you're just going to be repeating that entire thing 3 more times. So once more, A major 7, F sharp minor 7, then D major 7. 2 more. Then last one. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. My life's in pandemonium at the moment. I've been waiting for the closer, wanting to be over just to move on and be closer to what I can remember. It's the life I once was living. Fill your own cup up and sip it. All the optimism's killing, like a school just trying to fit in. You try your best but nothing works. Does it ever move forwards? No, what's the point? I think they're taking their time. in the process wasting mine. Okay, and as for the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, first up is going to be the C sharp 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then the F sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be the D diminished 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then after that, we're just going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So once again, C sharp 7 chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. Just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. I was in my prime, but what does it really mean to be in your prime? When you're changing all the time, I've been learning how to drive. Julian's beside me losing his patience, just as I'm losing my mind. And lastly, for the second verse of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's the same chord progression as the first verse, but instead of repeating it 4 times, we're just going to be doing it twice now this time. So once again, A major 7 chord for 4 counts. Then this one. Then D major 7. Last one. Then D major 7. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Stepped out of the wave that I was feeling, I dreamt of all my freedom, jumped in my Carrera, then I realized I was dreaming. Failed my test for speeding on the same day that I got the news, and I could not believe it. So yeah, that is the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach you anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. So yeah, if you guys would like to watch my guitar cover for this song, some sort of reference, just click this one right here. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials for Rex Orange County songs, just click these ones right here. So good, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.